Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to change a Volkswagen CC headlight bulb. First, gather your essential tools. You will need a T25 Torx screwdriver, a new H7 headlight bulb, and protective gloves. Make sure your vehicle's engine is completely off and cool to the touch before you begin. This prevents any accidental burns. Handling the new bulb with gloves is crucial to avoid transferring oils from your skin, which can significantly shorten its lifespan. Now, let's gain access to the headlight bulb. Begin by opening your car's hood and locating the rear of the headlight assembly. You will need to remove the engine cover, which usually just lifts straight up. For the driver's side, gently unclip the power steering fluid reservoir from its bracket and carefully move it to the side. This provides crucial extra space, making the next steps much easier to perform. With access clear, it's time to remove the old bulb. First, twist the large, round black plastic cap counterclockwise by about 1/4 turn and remove it. Next, disconnect the electrical connector by pressing its tab and pulling it straight off the bulb. Then, unclip the metal retaining spring that holds the bulb firmly in position. Finally, carefully pull the old H7 bulb straight out from its housing, being mindful not to drop it. Now for the final steps. Carefully insert the new H7 bulb into the housing, ensuring it is seated perfectly straight. Reconnect the metal retaining spring to secure the bulb, then firmly attach the electrical connector. Replace the black plastic cap, twisting it clockwise until it locks securely. Before putting everything back, turn on your headlights to confirm the new bulb is working. Finally, reposition the power steering reservoir and replace the engine cover.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.